Yeah, there's like barely anyone here. One person jogging outside. Yeah, I'm like really soaked right now. Here we are. And you guys probably remember me coming here on my bike probably like a few months ago. It might have been like late April. Sorry, let me just wipe my camera. It's pouring. Yeah, you probably might have seen me come here around April, late April maybe. I covered around maybe 15 kilometers on my bike. I was bike riding for like 3 hours straight. I did take like a little break, like a water break. But overall I was, yeah, going for a very long hike. Not a hike, I'm sorry, a bike ride, yeah. And yeah, it's pretty cool. I do want to cover another like 13-kilometer bike ride or 15 or whatever. Even while it rains, that would be awesome. As long as it's not like pouring extremely heavy rain, because then I'll get really soaked and cold and I'll probably get sick. But if it's like, you know, light rain, kind of like how it is right now, that's probably fine. I just don't really have proper waterproof equipment with me, unfortunately. But yeah. You guys might recognize this place if you live in my city. But yeah, it's really nice out here. It's pouring. I hope I remember where I left my car. Yeah, it should be an easy spot to remember. Oh, look at my shoes. Oh, my socks are really wet now, like really, really wet. I think 80% of my socks are wet. I'm probably gonna head home, guys. I mean, I'd like to go hiking, but there's like literally no passage that could take me like down there. I don't know, so yeah. I'll hang out for a bit and then I'll go home, because I've been walking for like more than an hour. First I was at another location, then I got in my car, I drove here, went for another long walk. And my shoes are soaked, so yeah, I'll probably like head back to my car and go home. I don't know. Maybe I'll make myself a cup of tea when I get back. Yeah, nobody wants to go in this weather, surprisingly, because I love it. Like, I think this weather is amazing. I don't like the sunny weather at all. And this is just beautiful. I love when it's cloudy, rainy. Like, who cares if I'm wet? It's summer, you know? Nobody fucking cares if it's like, you know. Some duckies. There's ducks in that, like, river. Well, I don't know, the thing about this place, it is like a river, but there's no current. It's like really, really slow. But then there's other parts of this park where the current is actually really strong. But yeah, I'm very soaked. My hair is really wet. You can see it's like, my hair is black. My real hair color is obviously brown, but it looks black when it gets wet. But yeah, so one last look and then I'm gonna head to my car, make myself a warm cup of tea. And yeah, so thanks for watching, guys. Bye.